Okay, right now we're looking at a 1-year-old peach tree and how to prune that and set the structure up for the strategy you're going to do. So on our farm we don't have a 1-year-old peach tree. I think the youngest one we have is actually 2 years old, which we showed you in another video. But we don't have any brand new trees at the moment. But what I do have is a brand new tree growing off the root stock of an older tree. And so this is what a brand new tree would look like. So I thought this would serve good enough to show you what we would do to prune this and set this up. So on our farm, we use the open center system or pruning style for our peach trees and our stone fruit. So that's what we would do with this one today, is we're trying to get it to look like a satellite dish or an upside down umbrella in the end. And so it would look like that. And so we have to start that out with this young tree like that to get the branches going in the right direction. Now, I already made the cuts on this in a video that didn't turn out for us, but I'm just going to show you the cuts I made. And initially, this tree is growing straight up with all these big shoots. And it had a few more up the middle here too. And I had to say, well, look, the optimal number for this open center system is between 3 to 5 scaffolding branches. And so we always usually try to set them up with 4, which is the number that we try to go for. So that's what I did here. I says, let me pick 4 branches that are going in all 4 directions so that we can develop that big filling out of the satellite dish. And so that's what I did. I picked 4 scaffolding branches and I pruned out the other ones that were here in the middle. I cut the middle out. And then for the 4 I did pick, I headed them off right here and right there so that they would start focusing on growing new branches out their ports right here and start developing out these different directions. And so that's why we head them off. And when we head them off, we try to do between 20 inches and maybe a foot, as small as you'd want to go. But that's generally where we try. And so it's something like 16 inches is what we try to head them off at. So they have a good distance from this crotch down in here so that when that new growth comes out, we can pick those at a later time. So that's kind of the 1-year pruning. It's pretty quick and simple. It was only, I believe, 5 cuts. So that only took 30 seconds to do it. But the thing that takes a little longer is you have to decide what you want to do with your tree, how you want it to grow. Like I said, we use that open center system, which is very commonly used in the commercial industry. But some people may decide they want to do something different where they grow the tree on a fence. If you've ever seen those ones, maybe they want the tree to grow like a feather only out the sides up on a fence. They can do that too. But anyway, so this is our 1-year tree video, and if you have any comments, we'd love to try to answer them for you in the comment section. And please tune in to our other videos, and we'll see you next time.